Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to change or reset your Apple ID password in case you forgot it, okay? Or just randomly you want to change it. So the first thing I want you to do, so of course, please hop on settings really quickly here. And from settings, I just want you to hop on General tab quickly. Now click on software update. We're just going to check what's the latest version of iOS we can download if we have the latest version of iOS on our phone. The idea here is sometimes Apple hinders processes, holds back updates or features if you're not up to date. Now we just want to make sure there's nothing going to be wrong here if you update it, right? So it doesn't really matter if you don't have iOS 16.6 because you may be watching this video a few months from now and there's a new version. The important part here is this one. It should say iOS is up to date on your end also, okay? So if you have pending update, please update it first before proceeding on this tutorial. So that being said, for example, let's say you want to change your Apple ID. So first things first, please fire up Safari. And then from here, make sure you're on this link, appleid.apple.com. And from here, just simply click on sign in button right there. And with this one, the good thing about Apple, you can use your facial match or facial ID with this one, or rather use a different Apple method as you can see here. On my end, I'm just gonna use my Face ID. That being said, even if it's a browser, you can log in via Face ID. It's pretty good, right? Now with this one, just click on password. You can change your current password here, confirm your password if you just wanna change your password, okay? However, let's just say just in case, okay, you forgot your Apple ID and you can change it. Now hop on to a different tab, this one right here. The link is iforget.apple.com. Click on reset password right there, and then you'll be greeted on this captcha. Just input your Apple ID there, type in the characters on the box and click on continue, and you will receive an SMS or verification to a trusted phone number associated with your phone Apple ID, or an email from your trusted or connection of email address with your Apple ID, okay? That being said, just log on to it and then you can change your new password without having to put your old password in case you forgot it. Okay? So thank you for watching.